The video you just watched was created entirely using free AI tools, and it took less than 2 minutes to make. And here's the best part. These videos have a huge chance of going viral because almost no one is creating this type of content yet. That means if you start now, you'll have a massive first mover advantage. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, check the description below. You'll find a docx file there. Open it and copy the entire master prompt. Next, head over to Claude and paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Before generating, make sure the reasoning effort is set to medium for faster responses. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, Claude will give you 20 ready-to-use PC themes. You can either pick one of those or enter your own custom theme. For this tutorial, I'm going with theme number 5. Press Enter, and within a minute or two, Claude will generate a complete production-ready video prompt, including a detailed scene-by-scene storyboard. Once it's finished, copy the entire response and head over to Google Flow. Before pasting the prompt, make sure the agent is turned on. Then, click the settings icon to open the agent settings. Here, you'll see 2 options. Select the second option. Then set the aspect ratio to 9:16, set the number of output videos to 1, and choose OmniFlash as the video model. Once everything is set, click Save and close the settings window. Now paste the prompt you copied from Claude and click Generate. The agent will spend a few moments understanding the prompt before it starts creating your video. Within seconds, your AI-generated ASMR PC building video will be ready. Finally, click the 3 dots, choose Download, and that's it. Your fully AI-generated ASMR PC building video is ready to use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more AI content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.